Hello, welcome to you on another tutorial in C++. Today we are going to discuss loop and its types in C++. So what is loop? I'm just going to full screen my loops. Loops, a statement or a set of statement that executed repeatedly is called a loop. So when we want to execute a statement more than one, so we make loop. So we making loop to execute the things as many times as we want. So the statement executed for specific number of time. When the given condition becomes true, then this loop will end. So in C++ we have three types of loops. So the while loop, the for loop, a do while loop. I'm just going to repeating the things that a loop, a statement or set of statement that is executed repeatedly is called loop. So when we want to execute a statement more than one time, so we making a loop and we making the loop for that statement. So the first one is the while loop. So this is the syntax of while loop. While loop contain a condition, and when that condition becomes true, the statement will execute it. So what is the basic procedure to implement the while loop? Here is a simple example on while loop. We assign int I is equal to 1, so 1 is less than or equal to 5. So hello world will execute it one time, and then the control move towards I, and the value of I plus plus is incremented by 1. So then it become 2, and 2 is less than or equal to become 5, and this statement will more executed again. So when this I is equal to 5, so 5 is equal to 5. So when this condition become true, so hello world will execute it 5 times and the loop will end. We have the for loop. So this is the simple syntax of for. Here we declare a variable. Here's the condition, here's the increment and decrement operator, and the statement. So for loop is very easy, and it is widely and commonly used. So int I is equal to, we have missing I here, so I is equal to 0. I is less than or equal to 5, and I plus plus. So when the value of I become 5, so 5 is less than or equal to 5, so this loop will end and this loop will terminate it, and 5 times this statement will execute it. So this is a do while loop. A do statement contains more, it will execute a statement and it will check the condition. The condition become true, it will go towards true, and again it will execute this statement. So this statement will execute until this condition is satisfied. So this is the do. So int n is equal to 1, do executed 1, n plus plus, and this is the n boolean expression where n is less than or equal to 10. So when the value of n become 10, so this statement will terminate it. So let's see a simple example in which we, here is while loop. So int I is equal to 1 while I is less than or equal to 8. Welcome to while loop in C++, and I is incremented, and this value become 2, and this will execute it in until I is equal to 8. So the loop will terminate it, and we get this output. So let's execute this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 times this statement executed, and the value of I becomes 8. So this loop is terminated. So simply this is a do loop. So do int I do, welcome to do loop in C++. So value is incremented and then checked, then incremented, then checked until I is equal to 5. So this statement will terminate. So let's check. 5 times this thing will execute. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times this executed. Let me we have a same. we can initialize 1, so it will execute it 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 times this statement is executed. So in do loop, when one time when your condition is true or false, one time this statement will execute it. This is a very big difference among other loops. So in do loop, one time your statement will execute if it is true or not, while in while loop, if the condition is checked before the statement. So if the condition become false, the statement not executed. While in do loop, your statement will execute and then the condition is checked. Here is a for loop. So int I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So it becomes 0, condition is checked, which is true. Welcome to for loop is executed, and this value become incremented, and then control move toward this 1, it become 1, so 1 is less than or equal to 5, this statement will execute it, then the control move towards this I, increasing the value of I, and then if this thing will occur 5 times and we will get this output. So let's check the output. So 1 2 3 4 5, so this is the 5 time executed. This is the loops. This is a very simple example I have implemented. So thank you for watching.